Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gulam Kadir and today I am excited to walk you through a project I recently completed, a to-do list web application. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icons so you don't miss any of my future content. So let's walk through project introduction. Alright, so today we are diving into a to-do list app I built using React, as you can see here in the VS Code. I built using React, Bootstrap, and CSS, React Redux, React Icon Kit, and React DOM. This project is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their skills in front-end development or just needs a practical to-do list app in their life. I'll be showing you the main feature of the app and the technology I used and how you can get started with it yourself. So let's walk through the coding part. So this is the folder structure. As you can see in the src folder, I have created a component folder, and Redux. This is the Redux folder, and this is the Redux hierarchy. As you can see, where I have performed all the state management and the CRUD operations. So now let's walk through. So let's talk about what this app can do. The to-do list app is designed to help you manage your tasks daily. When you first open the app, you will notice there are some dummy tasks already added. As you can see, I have added some dummy tasks. This gives you a quick idea of how the app works. From there, you can start adding your own tasks. Let's add some tasks here. Just type your task in the input field and enter, or click the add task button and boom, your task appears on the list. As you can see here, let me show you some of the key features. First, you can mark task as completed. As you can see, if you can click on the checkbox, you can mark the task as completed and it will cross out indicating that it's done. If you need to edit a task, no problem, click on the little icon, edit icon, and you can update the task details easily. Let's edit this task. As you can see, it's edited successfully. And of course, sometimes we need to delete tasks, so you can delete individual tasks. Let me show you. As you can see, I can delete individually, or if you are like me and you want a fresh start, you can also delete all tasks at once by clicking delete all button. As you can see, all the task has been deleted. So now let's talk about the technologies behind the app. This project is powered by React, which is great for building dynamic user interfaces. I have used React Redux and Redux for state management, ensuring that the app runs smoothly even as it scales. Bootstraps and CSS handle the styling, making the app look clean and responsive across different devices. And React Icon Kit adds some nice visual touches with icons for actions like editing and deleting tasks. If you are interested in trying this out yourself, it's super easy to get started. I have been hosted the code on the GitHub, and you can clone the repository, install the dependencies, and run the app locally in just a few minutes. I'll drop the GitHub link in the description below, so be sure to check that out. That's pretty much it for today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more web development tutorials and projects walkthroughs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.